If you are planning to travel to US, you will need to apply for visa. In this video, we will show you how to create a USA visa challan and book a slot. So you can start planning your trip with confidence. Whether you are traveling for business, pleasure or study, our step-by-step guide will make the process easy and stress-free. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating a USA visa challan and booking a slot. We will cover everything you need to know, including the documents you need to have, the fees you will have to pay, and the step you need to follow to submit the application. So this is the DS-160 form application. So where you need to select the state and the captcha, and then you need to fill it out. So complete video on DS-160 I have provided on the I button, so you can please check the I button and then you can do it. This is the visa challan creation portal. So you need to create new account. To create new account, you need to fill these details basically and then click on submit. So once you submit it, you will be creating a new user. Then you can able to see new application or schedule appointment. Click on that. Based on your requirements, you need to fill the application. If you are applying for the student, I'll be helping you with that. In this video, we'll be looking out for the student. You are applying as a non-immigrant visa. If you are applying as a student visa, then you need to click on non-immigrant and then click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will take you to the another step where it will ask you where are you from. Select any of the states. Where are you from? And once you select the state, your location, visa location, it will automatically detect what is the nearest location, and then it will go to next page. Then it will tell you what will be your language of interview will be. It will be mostly in English. Then you need to click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will redirect you to the next page where it will ask you which type of visa you are applying. Since I am applying as a student visa, so I will be selecting student category. So once you select this visa category, it will ask you as subcategory as well. So in students there are many subcategories like F1, F2, M1, M2. In this I will be selecting F1 as my category and I will click on continue. So once I click on continue, it will redirect to my other page where all the details will be displayed clearly, that what you have selected till now, and then please check the details and then click on continue once you are satisfied with this. If it is done, then it will ask you a few details about your passport number, passport issue date, passport expiry date, your date of birth, nationality, your name, first name, last name, country, gender, DS-160 form confirmation number, mobile numbers. Please enter all those details one by one. Once it is done, then please click on continue. It will ask you service number and university details as well, but it's not mandatory. Like once you have fixed this, this will be final. No, it's not final. The university which you will be writing in DS-160 form, it will be final. If you have any more applications or anyone coming with you dependents, then you can add it here. Otherwise, you can click on continue. If you have previous visas, then please mention it out. If you don't have, then again please click on no. Then it will take you to next page where it will ask you about the passport delivery option. So where you want to have your passport to be collected. So you always prefer pick up and select the city from where you want to pick up it, and then it will display your address. Please save that address. Once it is done, then click on continue. Then it will show you a pop-up. Click on confirm and there will be a visa fees which you need to pay. Once you pay the visa fees, after 24 hours it gets updated in the portal. Already it has been updated, so that's the reason it's showing the receipt number. So now click on continue. Once you click on continue, visa fees will be 13,440 rupees right now when I am making the video. That's the rate going on in India. So it will ask you to select your OFC appointment. First of all, you need to select your OFC appointment, which is biometrics known as. So enter the captcha code here and then it will display you the dates with number of slots available. So you need to always select the locations from where you need to have your biometrics and all. Once you click on your slots availability, then please click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask you for the consulate appointment. Similar process it will take you. It will show you the dates, and then it will be showing you the availability of seats. Select that, and then that's it. Book these two things, then only your slot gets full. Here I can't able to see the slot. Why? Because now slots are not available for consulate appointment one-on-one. You can change the locations and you can see that. Once it is done, appointment is made, then you will get this kind of form with the appointment confirmation form. So please save this appointment confirmation form in your folder because it is required when you go for a biometrics. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have any doubts or questions related to this creating a visa channel, please feel free to ask me in your comments. Please support me if you want these kind of videos by clicking that like button and hit on that subscribe. Thank you for watching.